Hey there, welcome back to Fred Shaves. It's time for another shave. It's Wednesday. I'm really excited about today's shave. Just got in the mail yesterday. Triple dog there, made for the Blizzard battle over at Texan Shaves. Really well smelling stuff. It sells frozen flagpole, warm winter clothes and bad decisions. And it's a really cool label there. This comes in a nice handy 2-ounce tin. So I just scooped out some and loaded in a bowl. So my brush is preloaded and we also get the matching splash. I'm really excited to see how cold this thing is. It has a warning as far as I could see. Did I not see a warning? I can't almost read. No, I didn't see that. Razor Mühle R89 with 30 use Gillette 7 o'clock black. Preloaded brush. Frank Shaving. It's a finest badger, 23mm fan knot, I think. Nice and pasty. This is a special formula for this high mentholated zone, so I haven't tried that one either. I have scooped off some throat lather on my cheeks and it feels cold already. Let's see how cold this madness is. Some pieces of soap there. Let's see if we can emulsify them. Yeah, some more pieces of soap. I'm bad at bowl loading, so I need to practice that. I always load from the tubs. And this tin was a little bit on the smaller side, so even if I got a less big brush, I wasn't able to load it. It smells very nice. It's a towel base and it also contains duck fat, and I can feel the menthol is getting into my eyes already. Oh yeah. I can also feel it in my nose and in my throat. Seems like it being a thirsty soap base. And it's got quite a dry load. I scooped out way too much soap, so the soap I didn't use I just scooped back from the bowl and back in the tin. So that's why it looks a little bit cakey there on the top. So I will just try to lather this my normal way. Oh, it really hits my eyes. Wow. I am not nearly finished with building the ladder. I have a very personal menthol scale. Subjective for me, going from 1 to 10. 10 being unbearable and 1 being not noticeable. I find Cold Fusion from Wet the Face to be a 9. I have yet to come across a 10 in mental strength. I have another soap that's was made for the blizzard battles, and that's Sub-Zero from the Cuopon blade. That soap was crazy cool, but the splash was extreme. That was close to evil. I definitely overloaded because this is taking a lot of water. A little weird is running down my neck, but it's still dry on the top of my face. Oh, the chill is really starting to set in now. Wow. Yeah. Doug, you have sure made a very cool soap. The question is, will it get me on my knees? The lather is very dense and super low structure, and as with all other bases from Adopted Soap, Adopted Acrous, it can sure take a drink. It builds a little differently from the other bases, I find. And I guess that's down to this formula has really been tweaked, as far as I understand, to really handle that amount of menthol. Most soap bases do not handle very high amounts of menthol very good, and the lather kind of breaks down because menthol is an alcohol. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, ooh. That's like super duper cold on the lips. And I've loved it for quite some time. It has a nice, very super shiny look to it. and it's actually close to burning area already. Okay, 2 days of growth, first pass. And we're shaving with cold water. And that razor feels like an ice cube on the face. Look, the lather is just falling off. It's very good hydrated. I really feel the menthol in my eyes. Not as much in my nose yet. It's not been super warm today. Low 70s. And a lot of wind. But I still enjoy a hyper cold shave nonetheless. You know, Norwegians are crazy. Yeah, I think I took a little much water into that lather. But it's very, very slick. Okay, this will be cold. Ooh. Yeah, you can see it's thinning out a bit. That's not the soap. It's too little load or too much water. But it's still freezing cold and very slick. And serves its properties very good. I guess because of the high menthol content, it will be a little more finicky with the water. And I haven't used this base before. So it's my first go with it. We're on the end of second pass and all my face feels frozen. Which is a good thing. Wow. I'm really digging this. Ooh. Yeah, now my nose is starting and my eyes are starting to run. So we're definitely up in mental strength. This is easy an 8, maybe a 9. looking forward to that splash. Very, very slick. And the scent is very enjoyable. I like it a lot. This shirt with the triple dog there is from the second batch or release. I don't think there will be done any more releases after this one is done and sold out, as far as I understand on Doug. I think that's done. My face is really cold now. It's a very, very close shave. Let me just pause, let me rinse, and then we'll come back for the post shave. Yes, we're back and we rinsed and we just had a really, really nice shave. My skin is still ice cold from that soap. Initial post shave feel is very, very good. Okay. Oh yeah, my nose is running. Let's go for the Bad Boy Splash. 2 ounce. Yeah, it's alcohol and menthol in it, and aloe vera juice, and glycerin, and lots of other goodies. I guess it will burn. We will see. Kind of milky consistency. Oh. Don't get that in your mouth, boy. Ah. Oh, here comes the menthol. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's a creeping menthol. Oof. It increases like crazy. Yeah. Oh. Wow. This is heavy stuff. I can't see. Oof. I am enjoying it. Now we are over in the burning territory. Yeah, it's so cold the menthol actually burns the skin. And you can see my skin turns kind of reddish where I put on the splash, which I really enjoyed the consistency of. Kind of a milky, balmy, liquidy thing. Feels really nice on the skin. I think I overdid the use, but that's okay. This is super good. I really enjoy that. Thank you for watching this madness. I need to go because my eyes are running like rivers. Thank you for being with me on this crazy journey, and thank you to Texan James, who has started this Blizzard battle and have got the artisan to make such incredibly cold soaps. I really enjoy that. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Until the next one, goodbye.